Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Click the link below for the best price. Today we're doing an honest, research-based review of the xTool P380W Flagship CO2 Laser Cutter, a powerful desktop laser engraver and cutter with intelligent automation, dual HD cameras, 1200mm per second high speed, a 36 inches x 18 inches large work area, and an AX autofocus system. I've researched this machine thoroughly across the internet, digging through specs, expert benchmarks, real user feedback, and community build logs, so you can understand just what it's capable of and whether it's truly worth buying. Let's start with power and performance. The 80W CO2 laser in the xTool P3 is among the most potent in desktop setups, capable of cutting and engraving thicker materials than typical diode lasers. Across user tests and independent evaluations I reviewed, this unit consistently cuts materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and even some light metals with clean edges and impressive precision. The high-speed motion system at up to 1200mm per second also means faster throughput for repetitive jobs and larger projects without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features is the AX autofocus system. Many users and reviewers note how much easier it makes precise work. The laser auto-detects material height and adjusts focus accordingly, which reduces setup time and improves cut accuracy, especially on uneven stock. For people who work with varying material thicknesses, this intelligent automation saves time and minimizes trial and error focusing. The large 36 inches x 18 inches work area is another strong point. For hobbyists and small business owners alike, that size opens up projects like large signage, furniture accents, detailed cabinetry inlays, and layered art pieces that smaller engravers simply can't handle. Multiple community build galleries and project logs I examined show that builders appreciate the generous bed size without having to upgrade immediately. Visual alignment and job monitoring are enhanced by dual HD cameras mounted above the work area. These cameras help with precise placement and previewing designs before firing the laser. Across feedback threads and unboxing reviews, users say this feature boosts confidence on complex jobs and cuts down on wasted material, especially when aligning multi-part designs or photo engravings. Software compatibility is a key factor with any laser system, and the xTool suite supports major formats and seamless workflows. While some advanced features have a learning curve for beginners, most reviewers point out that the interface is more intuitive than many legacy laser CNC programs, and there's a wealth of community tutorials for niche use cases. Connectivity options are flexible, and updates appear regularly to improve stability and add features based on user feedback. That said, there are some limitations to consider. An 80W CO2 laser requires proper ventilation, and several users emphasize the need for an external exhaust or air filtration system to manage fumes, especially with acrylic or chemically treated woods. This isn't unique to the P3, but it's a real setup cost and space consideration. Beginners should also plan time to learn safe operating practices, especially around laser power and material compatibility. Another point worth noting is price. As a flagship model with automation and a large bed, this unit sits at a premium compared to smaller diode lasers or entry-level CO2 systems. However, when you factor in build speed, large format capacity, autofocus intelligence, and dual cameras, many hobbyists and small business users find the investment justified, particularly if you plan frequent or commercial use. So is the xTool P380W Flagship CO2 Laser Cutter worth buying? If you want a high-power, feature-rich laser cutter with a large work area, intelligent automation, dual cameras for precise alignment, and strong community support, then yes, it's a compelling choice that performs well across a wide range of projects. After researching this machine thoroughly across expert reviews, user feedback, and real-world builds on the internet, I can confidently say it delivers excellent capability and versatility in its class. Click the link below for the best price.